a tornado warning for northeastern Adams County, central Pike County, northwestern Scioto County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Peebles, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waverly, Piketon, Peebles, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Poplar Grove, Elm Grove, Serpent Mound, Locust Grove, Buchanan, Ladd, Lake White, Smoky Corners, and Idaho. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. this evening for the following.
Thanks for interrupting me, Island.